Hello families, this is Jill Jacoby Vessels, the director of the Early Learning Campus. Some of our families have been asking us for ideas on how to make their days go a little more smoothly at home. So in this video, I'll be sharing some of the strategies that we use in our classrooms that help us out and will hopefully give you some good ideas. The biggest thing that really helps us is having a predictable schedule for the children. Having a general schedule that is the same day after day really makes things run a lot more smoothly. It reduces boredom, negative behaviors, and it minimizes stress for the children and the adults. Your general home schedule should be clear and followed day after day so that children know what to expect and what role they play. It reduces tension for the children and gives them a sense of independence and security. You might choose to help your child draw pictures or take pictures of different activities that you have scheduled and then put them together to create a picture schedule that you can refer to each day. You can point out what you've done and what you're getting ready to do. And when you've done that over and over with your child, it helps them build prediction and understanding. You can let your child help decide parts of the schedule and give them acceptable choices whenever possible. When they feel like they've gotten to make some of the decisions and they have a sense of control, they're more likely to follow the plan. In our classrooms, we always include a balance of active and quiet things to do, and we plot the timing of those things strategically. Running around and dancing right before nap time might get them wound up and reduce the chances of them taking a good nap. So a quiet activity before nap times works well. So if you can try to get on the same general schedule and go to bed at the same time, wake up at the same time, following routines such as when it's time for bed, we brush our teeth, we read a book, and then it's lights out. If it's the same each day, the children will work more together with you. They know their role without having to guess. Keep in mind that you don't have to do everything exactly by the clock. Just a general schedule will do. They can't read the clock terribly well at this age, so that's in your corner. So I'm going to share an example schedule, but please feel free to change it as you need. It's important that your schedule fits your family. There's no one schedule that works for everyone, so do what works for you. This is just an example. So you might start your general schedule by talking with your child to find out what sorts of things he or she would like to do. Make certain to incorporate their wishes whenever possible so that children know that they are good thinkers who are capable of making decisions that work and that they are respected. You can start your schedule with times for daily events that happen every day, like wake up, meal times, snacks, and going to bed, and then fill in activities around those events. You might want to start your morning after waking up with some gentle stretches or having breakfast, followed by learning activities using toys or household items. You may want to go outside for a while or have a dance party to get muscles moving again after that and use up some energy before lunch and then nap. After nap, you might read a story together or have a little screen time so that the adults can breathe for a minute. You might follow that with more play with toys or household items. A second session of outdoor play is always appreciated by the children and helps them use energy in healthy ways. After dinner, you might want to work on a family scrapbook together or do free choice art, followed by another planned activity before bedtime and routines begin. Make sure to build in hand washing and put that into your picture schedule. Make certain that you're washing hands before you eat, after outdoor play, after using the toilet or having a diaper change, and any time that they're clearly dirty. We teach children how to wash their hands all the time in our classrooms, and now it's more important than ever. I hope that this video was helpful to you and that you're having some moments of peace and some moments of fun. Thank you for listening.